Africa is at a crossroads. From Nigeria to South Africa, Ghana to Kenya, there's so much economic hardship across the continent. Welcome to Africa's Economic Rebound channel at Africa Rebound. Over 450 million Africans live in extreme poverty. That's over 80% of the global number. Over 85% of Africans earn less than $5.5 a day. But what if I told you change is possible? Africa is not a lost cause. There is hope on the horizon. For instance, in less than 40 years, China lifted 800 million people out of poverty. South Korea achieved industrial development in about 60 years. Indonesia and Vietnam are also currently undergoing rapid industrial development. So why not Africa? It won't be easy, and it won't happen overnight. But it is possible if African leaders and citizens put our minds to it. In this channel, we share economic development strategies, offer insights, share best practices from developed nations, and recommend actions for Africa to turn the tide. We're motivated by the potential we see for Africa to rebound from mere potential to economic prosperity. Thanks for caring about Africa's economic future. Together, we can end poverty and achieve economic growth and prosperity in Africa. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Africa's Economic Rebound channel at Africa Rebound for regular economic development insights.